Shall we start?
Start, please.
Namaskar, good evening, and welcome back to yet another session of Heart to Heart, promising to help you live it up your way. I'm Shivani, your host for today, and I wanted to say a big thank you to all our audiences for making these sessions a success one after another. Please continue participating in these sessions, as without your help, it wouldn't have been possible to make them so popular. Now, like always, today again, Inspiring Indian Women has brought to you the best. And before we start, I wanted to request everyone to please keep your mics on mute and post your questions or comments in the chat box, and we'll be happy to pick them up during the session. So, let's start with yet another inspiring and informative talk. Our guest today is no ordinary woman. She is multi talented, multifaceted, and alternative therapy practitioner who believes life is by choice, not by chance. She reckons that we can design our own lives by simply being conscious of our choices. Her passion lies in helping people, and her ultimate dream is to see the people of this world free of all medications. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Taranpreet Kaur, who is a trainer, counselor, coach, specialist, and much more. Taranpreet, a very warm welcome and a big thank you for joining us today.
Thank you so much, Shivani ji.
I
This is my pleasure.
I am so impressed with your background and your talents. It's really something. So well done and really kudos to you.
Thank you so much. And
So
good afternoon, everyone. Yeah.
I think we have a lot of audiences today from the UK and India. So that's great. Thank you all for joining, and that too on Monday. So,
So it
Taran,
is,
before we start on today's topic, I said in your introduction you are an alternative therapy practitioner. What is alternative therapy? Can you tell us all, please?
yes, alternative therapy is like there are so many therapies in India, what we are using, and our yogis and rishis and everybody had been using it. And we can be free of medications and outside things because God has designed us in such a way that we have all the healing power inside us. And today, even science also says that everything is psychosomatic, everything comes from the mind, and we are responsible for the whole soul, whatever is happening in our life. Because of this, taking responsibility of our own self, I have seen many changes in people when they accept, whatever is happening in their lives, they are responsible. And alternative therapies, I am practicing many modalities to give balance in one's life. Like there are many alternative therapies, like, even Ayurveda and homeopathy is also different
Alter-
type of alternative. And there is color therapy, then batch flowers, then affirmations, switch words, and many other Reiki, pranic healing. There are so many modalities which we can use instead of the medications. So I have done a lot of research on this, and I am using different therapies, combination of different therapies to give healings and betterment for the people.
So for
So
the
this,
sorry,
yes,
sorry, I just want to say, so for the same thing, you can use two, three different
yes,
practices.
yes. We can use many modalities actually because we are working on emotions. So when I found this, that yes, it is easier to change the mind and get the benefit. But some people are like, it's difficult to change the mind. And sometimes we need immediate results. So I found that this energy balancing, it is very fast in this few things, like what I'm trying to talk today about it.
Mhm.
So, but we can always combine, like there are so many things. I would like to tell people that there are many things which can help us emotionally. In today's time, I am getting so many phone calls, especially people are suffering from anxiety and all mental issues. And because of that, they have so many relationship problems. So first it comes in mind, and then it comes in the physical body. So if our emotionally we are balanced, we can avoid so many physical ailments.
Mhm.
So it is very important for everyone to spend some time in some meditation or some type of breathing techniques, which really help. So yoga is also very nice, and most of the problems come because the input is there and the output is not there. If you're not exercising, if you're not using your body, so that time more energy is blocked. So I will recommend and suggest everyone that there should be some physical activity apart from a daily routine. And our breath is our master. Breath is very, very important. The way we breathe. Most of the people are not breathing properly,
Yeah.
and because they breath only, they are facing so many problems.
Mhm.
So I like to help people by telling them about the breath and other things like how they can control their mind.
Mhm.
But today our topic is different. So, but anyone can contact me.
Mhm.
I help in different ways. So I will be very happy to help anyone.
Fabulous. So if they want to contact you, they should contact you on WhatsApp on your mobile.
Yes, they can. I'll be sharing. You can share my number on the screen.
Yeah. I will type your number in the comment section during the session so people
Yes.
can pick it up. What are we focusing on today? Because the topic is very, very exciting. Uh, I remember seeing quick pain relief with a toothpick, and I've never heard of that before. Is there a name for this therapy, or it's a name in itself?
Actually, this it is a sujok. If you have heard about sujok, it is sujok. It is related
Fabulous.
to sujok. I will tell about what is sujok. But also one can look into my YouTube channel. It is by the name of Jewels of Joy. Okay, people
Mm,
can see there are many alternative things I have sent there. I am posting all nice and informative tips. People can look into my YouTube channel. Okay,
yes.
for the detailed information. I have many more. Like people, if you don't follow today, you have some YouTube videos on the channel. So you all can see in my YouTube channel, Jewels of Joy. Okay. So
Fabulous. Let's
yes,
start with today's session then. Looking
yes.
forward to
Today,
knowing about
yes.
the tooth.
Today we shall start about this toothpick by toothpick, how we can balance our pains. Immediate results sometimes we get. Within minutes, there is a change of energy. But before starting that, I would like to tell how we use it and why we use it. So if you have heard about sujok, su means hand and jok means foot. So
Mm,
this is a Korean therapy by Professor Park Jae-woo. He brought this therapy in India in 1998,
mm,
and people are using this around the world, and it is very, very effective treatment. And we are using seeds, colors, needles, and many things for this, for balancing the body. But today we are going to talk about zone therapy, in the sense how to balance the zones by a toothpick. Okay. So first, let me tell you about how the whole body is in our hands. So if you look at my hand carefully, you can see this.
yeah.
These are two legs and these are two hands. And this is our face. Okay. Do you see some similarity?
Yeah.
It seems like a person is standing.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So where I have only one, like see, we have only one joint here. So our thumb also has one joint. And this is the neck portion. And this is the lower joint. Okay. Do you agree?
Yeah.
So
Absolutely.
Professor Park Jae-woo, he saw that there was so much similarity between a hand and a human body. Okay. Now see, there are two hands. In one hand, we have three joints. This is the shoulder joint, this is the elbow joint, and this is the wrist joint. See, these has three joints, and our body also has three joints: shoulder joint, elbow joint, and the wrist joint. And similar way, our hand also has three joints. Now looking at the leg, this leg also has three joints: hip joint, knee joint, and the ankle joint. Now, if we see in the legs also, we can see this. So this is another very strong similarity you can see.
Yeah.
It is very similar. So when now we are treating in Sujok through hand only. If the person has problem in right leg, then we'll pick up in the left hand. The ring finger becomes the right leg and the middle finger becomes the left leg. Okay. And the little finger becomes the right hand and the index finger becomes the left hand. Okay. Is it
So
okay?
we always take the left hand, or can we take the right hand as well?
No, we can take the right hand as well.
Okay.
So
Whatever.
in the right hand, only the side will change. Now this will become right and this will become left.
Yeah.
The middle finger will become the right leg and same side, like there is no confusion. The right side is the right leg, the left side is the left leg.
Okay.
Okay. So if we are taking the left hand, then this becomes the right leg, a right hand. If we are taking the right hand, then this index finger becomes the right hand. I
Yeah.
hope I'm clear.
Absolutely.
Okay. So professor said that we can go.
Tarandip didn't understand that. You know, I know you're trying to say it's opposite hand and opposite fingers, but I didn't.
Yeah.
When you said right hand and then you said right leg, it's the same hand.
Okay. I will tell you once again. Now see, we will just talk about the right hand. Okay. So now when we are talking about the right hand, little finger is the right hand on the left hand. Okay. So this becomes the right hand and this becomes the left hand. Is it okay? Because this is towards the right side and this is towards the left side. So there is no confusion. In the right hand, this is the right side and this is the, okay.
Right.
My volume is not clear?
No, volume is clear.
It's clear. Okay. So in this is the right hand and this is the left hand. Okay. So today you need not worry about right and left also. It is a very, very simple thing what I'm going to tell you today. You just see this. If this is a body and you divide it into portion. Okay. I will tell you in a very simple way that this is the top portion and this is the lower portion. Okay. Is it okay?
Yeah.
This is the top portion and this is the lower portion. Now these are hands and these are legs. Till here everything is clear?
Yes.
Now this is the center portion. So these are the two lungs, the raised portion. These are the two lungs and below that is our whole body. I will show you one picture so that you can see it very clearly. Can you see this?
Yes.
Is it clear to everyone?
Absolutely.
Yes.
Okay. So now in this picture, can you see everything clearly? These are two legs, the long ones. Otherwise also our legs are longer than the hands. So here also you see the fingers are also longer than the hands. These two fingers, these are legs, and these two side fingers are our hands. So there is no confusion. Okay. So now today what I'm going to tell you is I'm going to divide this. Now this is a center line which is going. If I divide my body into half portion, okay, like this, from the center. So same way, I will divide over here. Now, if I have a pain, if I have a headache, that means, now this is my head, okay, this is my head. These are two my eyes. You see this picture carefully. Can you see this thumb?
Yeah.
You can see two eyes, nose, lips. This is the head portion. So this is the head and this is face. Okay.
Yes.
So now if I have a headache, what I will do is I will just apply one piece of toothpick. Okay. How to apply the toothpick? I will just pick a piece of toothpick and I will apply on the first joint. I will just use a paper tape and a toothpick. What we can do is we will experience the practical way so that you will understand it very clearly. So now if I'm having a headache, what I will do is I will just put the toothpick on the finger and I will see the change. Now, how does it work? First, let me tell you that actually we are balancing the magnetic field. We have a magnetic field around us, which is disturbed. So when we put this toothpick or a piece of wire or a palm leaf, we can apply anything. And when we use this balances the body. So suppose if I apply this toothpick over here for my headache, we will do it in a different way. And if I have the problem in my leg, suppose my right leg is paining, and always whenever we are seeing the body, we will never see like this. We will always see the body like this because our body is like this only. Okay. So whenever, if you will do like this, then the leg will change. So instead of that, always look like this so that we get the right leg, always right place. Okay. So always for the position that which is which leg, always keep your hand like this so that we end up in the right place. Okay.
Yeah.
Always feel like this. So if it is right hand, I will use this. So what I can do is wherever it is the pain, I can apply the toothpick and we can see the change happening. Okay.
How long does it take
Now,
to the change?
within a minute.
Oh.
Yes, within a minute there will be a change. But first, let me explain you simple things, simple problems, so that it is easier, you know where to apply. Okay. So for the stomach issues, always apply over here. This is the stomach area. So we will always apply over here. Okay. And for the legs, we can straight away apply on the joints. Whichever leg it is, we can use that joint. Okay. If it is the knee joint, we will use the center joint. If it is the ankle joint, we will use the lower joint. If it is the hip joint, we will use the upper joint like this.
And if it's
Okay.
like a calf muscle or something?
Calf muscle, yeah, the same way. We have to use it on the joint only, which is nearer.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. So calf muscle will be in the center. So we will use the center portion, center. Most of the time we will be using the center one for the leg problem.
If back,
Is it clear till now?
Backache.
Backache. Yes, we will come to backache. Okay. Now this is all about the front portion. Now if we want the back, then we will turn the back. Now this becomes our back. This is the front and this is the back. This will be called as yin and this is yang. Okay. So back means this is the back. Now this is the back portion of a head.
Head.
Okay. The back of the thumb is the back of the head. So over here below this is just behind my face. So this is my head portion, and below the first joint starts the cervical. Okay, this is the cervical area, and below this is thoracic. Okay, and the whole thoracic, half of the thoracic comes below the thumb, and then it starts from this joint. So here is thoracic, and this is the lower back. Can you see? This is the lower back. From L1 to L5, it is here, and the sacrum. Many people have tailbone problem. When they are sitting on the chair, they have pain. And you can just apply the toothpick over here, and you will find some change. Okay. And if it is just below, you can't apply a toothpick, you can just keep a seed over here. But immediately you will see the difference when you apply the toothpick. You can just apply it over here for the backache. Okay. So this is all L1 to L5. And if it is cervical, we will apply it over here.
What happens to the neck and shoulder?
Yeah. Most of the time, the shoulder pain is due to the cervical area only. Okay. So when you apply in for the cervical area, it will help in the shoulders also. Or we can apply one over here for cervical, and the other we can use the hand shoulder joint. This is the shoulder joint. Okay, this is the shoulder joint. Clear?
Yes. Okay.
Okay, this is the right hand and this is the left hand. Okay, so if I have pain in the right shoulder, I will take the little finger of the left hand, or if I want to do on the right hand itself, I will use it on the index finger. Right?
Yeah.
Okay, so now if I have shoulder pain, I can use this joint. Okay, so just you have to apply the toothpick. Okay, but how and why we apply, and I'll explain you that again. So what will happen is, now we don't know whether the north and south of our energy, like the magnetic field, from where it is disturbed. Okay, as a therapist, we know from where the energy is flowing and which direction we have to do. But for a common person, what you have to do is, when we apply the toothpick and it is not giving you relief, you can just change the direction like this. The side which is up will become down, and the side which is down will become up. That way only you have to just flip. You have to just flip it upside down. Why we are doing so? Because this toothpick has north and south. Now that north and south will balance with our magnetic field. Now suppose this is not suiting us. So when we flip it, we will start feeling better.
And Taranpi,
Okay.
it always has to be vertical. It cannot be horizontal.
Yes, for beginner, yes, you can do vertical is more effective. Okay, but we can use it in 3 ways. We can use it horizontally. We can also use it in a spiral way.
Oh.
Okay, so spiral way also I will tell you. I have given this treatment to many chronic issues also. So in a spiral way, because our energy is moving in a spiral way in the body, like this. Okay. So there are three ways: vertical, horizontal, and spiral. So we can also try. First, we will start always with vertical, and vertical will give very good results. You need not worry about other ways. Okay. Vertical itself will give you results. You just apply it like this. If you are not getting relief, or sometimes the pain increases, you flip flip the toothpick.
We have to break the toothpick.
Yes, we have to break the toothpick in a small piece like this, almost 1 inch.
Okay, and we have to take the pointed part and not the
No,
down
it
part.
doesn't matter. No, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. It is not fixed. Which side is up, it is not fixed. Okay. If it is this way, I can just flip it the other way.
And we have to take a wooden toothpick or any plastic toothpick also.
No. Try to take a wooden toothpick.
Okay.
Okay. Try to
Therapy,
take a wooden
after how long do we change the side when it doesn't make a difference? Is it like a couple of minutes or longer?
Yeah, sometimes it takes a minute or so. Sometimes it takes longer. It all depends upon person to person. Okay. So maybe within a minute or 2 minutes, it shows the results. Okay. And if you are not getting result, there is no shift of pain, you can change the side. Okay.
How long do we
And
have?
How to do
yes,
spiral? How to do
spiral also.
spiral?
Okay. Spiral we can apply just like this in a side way, in a slant way, like this, like a cross. Can you see?
Sorry, Tanpreet. Can everyone please mute their mics? There's a lot of background noise coming.
Okay, spiral will work in a slant way, like this. You can apply the toothpick in a slant way, like this. Okay, it can work two ways, like this slant, right way and left way. Okay.
Fabulous.
Okay.
How do
And
Taranpreet, how do we know when we've got to apply it spiral? I mean, you recommended that it's straight first. So if that doesn't work, we've got to do it spiral, or
yes,
right?
first we will try vertical. Then we will change the upside down. We will not go to spiral first. We will start with vertical. We are not getting results. We'll put it upside down.
Okay, thank you.
We'll wait, and then if you are not getting results, then you can think of spiral way.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
And is the pain relief pain after we remove it as well?
Yes. Once you are feeling comfortable, you should remove it immediately. Okay. Don't leave the toothpick. Once you are comfortable, you should take it out. And never sleep with the toothpick.
And
Please kindly mute for mics.
Sorry, Tanpreet, 1 second.
Please tell everybody to unmute, please.
So, ma'am, for gas problem or stomach pain?
Shivani, you should be able to mute everyone from your end.
Tejinder ji, please mute yourself. Tejinder ji. Tejinder ji, there's a lot of noise coming from your end. Please mute yourself.
Ladies who's using a microwave and cooking, please switch off.
Ji, please mute yourself.
You can unmute everybody. You can do that.
Shivani ji, you can mute all.
I'm not the host. I won't be able to do it. Only Rashmi can. I don't- Okay, Taranvi, let's start. Let's see.
Please, we are wasting Tarandeep's time.
Let's start.
Now, if it is in the center, we will use the center point. If it's towards the right side, if I have a headache towards my right side, then I can also shift the toothpick towards the right side. Okay? Towards the end, and this center point will be my right side. So I can shift it towards the right. If I have pain on the left side, I can shift the toothpick towards the left side like this. Can you see it?
Yeah.
Wherever it is a problem, I can use the same way on my hand. Okay? And
What
for
about the pain is at legs?
for the gastric issue,
feet.
I will come. For the gastric issue, always apply it over here. In the palm, starting of the palm area. Okay?
Is that also good when somebody's feeling nauseous or sick?
Yeah. When one is feeling nausea, then you should always use on the thumb first joint.
Okay.
Now, suppose I am feeling nauseatic. Now I'll apply it over here. Now, suppose if it increases, okay, sometimes it increases. Why? Because the thing wants to come out. So then I should wait for some time. Maybe that disturbance will be over. Okay, because I have tried one or twice, then a person was feeling like vomiting. So if you apply this and the person vomits, it is good because of that uneasiness, he was feeling uncomfortable. Okay, so we should not feel that way, that it has affected in a wrong way. It has helped the person to become balanced. So we can apply it over here like this.
Any nose issues?
Yeah, please.
Issues
Yes,
and
Nose.
Yeah, for sneezing and for a long time.
Anything you use for all these small issues, always use the first joint of the thumb. It is very, very effective.
Okay.
Would that go for toothache as well?
Pardon?
Toothache. Is that same for toothache?
Yeah, toothache also, yes, same way.
Okay.
What for burps?
Burps also you can apply here.
What about Achilles tendon? If you got in your left ankle, where would you apply the stick, please?
Left ankle. See,
Yes.
now left ankle, this is your left leg. The ring finger becomes your left leg.
Okay.
Right? So this is the first joint, is the ankle joint.
Yes.
Right? So I will apply the toothpick on the first joint of the ring finger like this.
Okay.
Okay. Now, if my pain increases, I will just flip it. In one direction, you will definitely find the relief. So you keep it till then, maybe 15 minutes or half an hour or 1 hour, and then you can, if you feel comfortable, you can just take it out.
Alternative to toothpick will be agarbatti का जो bamboo stick होता है, चलेगा?
You can try, and you can also try with a piece of wire. Okay.
Iron, lokhand.
Yeah, wire I'll just show you a small piece of wire. The waste wires which are, yes, see, this is a piece of wire, the mobile wire or anything, any wire like this. Okay.
But this is plastic coated. So with the plastic, you want to say?
Yeah, with the plastic. Okay. And even the palm leaf, piece of palm leaf, that also works. Your piece of grass will also work. And people have also tried with the peel, with the vegetable peel also, people have tried.
Wow.
Okay.
Karanpreet, you mentioned seed. Are we assuming that seed you can get a piece of dal or something and put the dal solid
No.
piece?
That is altogether a different treatment. Seed therapy is different. But today we are talking about the toothpick.
Okay.
But still, if you want to use the seed on the joint, if you have the chronic problem, you can do this. That now, if there is a lot of problem on the ankle joint, so you can take this first joint as ankle joint. You can apply a methi strip over here. Methi, small methi dana, methi seeds.
And apply
Or-
the tape.
Yeah, apply on the tape, and you can cover this full joint with the methi tape.
Okay.
So this will give you a lot of relief. And you can use this in the chronic issues, because in the acute problems, these toothpick and wires, it helps beautifully. But for the chronic issues, we can always apply some seeds and sleep with that, with the 8 hours, you can apply on the joint and just sleep. And next morning, you can just take it out and throw away the seeds. But never sleep with the toothpick or the piece of wire or whatever, because these are to help you immediately. Okay. So we should not be disturbing the zone or the energy for the whole night. It is only.
Then for how long should we keep them, toothpick?
I think you get relief maybe for an hour or so.
Suppose there is swelling in both the feet, like, severe swelling, maybe because of arthritis, it has aged person, and to add to it, urine output has gone down. Then there is a gross swelling that the swelling is, the skin is become completely tight. So then what should be done?
Okay. So then you apply over here in the center. When you apply over here in the center of the palm, what will happen is it will balance both the legs. Okay. So you can just apply it here every day for 1 hour, whichever direction suits you. Okay.
Can you do multiple on the hands? So one for legs, one for headache. You can do that?
Yes, we can do, but slowly. Like first we can adjust one, because it takes time. So wait for 5 minutes, like one we have said. Now we are happy that I am having, my headache is better. So I can leave this now, and then I can start with the other one. Don't do at a time. At least give a gap of 5 minutes. Then we can use the second one. Okay.
If somebody is trying to do the same for, let's say, chronic knee, and obviously there's a wear and tear in the knee.
Okay. For chronic knee, I would suggest, now both the middle joints are the knee joints. For the chronic problem, I would suggest to apply methi seed around the joint.
On both legs?
For both the legs. So use the center joints as the knee joints, apply the methi strip, and keep applying the pressure.
Okay.
Okay. And slowly, it will take a month or month's time, maybe. So, but you will start getting relief from the first day itself. But to heal it, we have to at least use it every day for few months.
Okay, so do we do that overnight, every night?
Yes, you can do, because for ladies or even for gents, it becomes little problematic in the daytime, because we are nowadays, moreover, we are using washing our hands so frequently also.
Yeah.
So in the night time, it is very good. You can apply and sleep. And for the chronic issues, it would be good if you apply on the foot, you will get better results.
What you mean on the toes?
On the toes, yes.
Okay. And then it doesn't contradict with any other conditions like blood pressure or diabetes or anything like that?
No, it will not never harm you. That is the best part. It will never harm you.
Okay.
If it will not benefit you, it will never harm you.
Okay. So it's better to do on the toes?
Yeah, we can do on both, on hands and toes also, because if you have the chronic problem, so we can use all four.
Okay.
We have got 4 places. So sometimes we use that for some chronic patients. We can use 2 places or 3 places. It depends.
Okay.
Could you overstimulate by using too much or too long? Overstimulate conditions.
We should not overstimulate. We should not overstimulate. We should do it gently. Okay. Because some people are very sensitive. And when people have too much of toxins in them, sometimes even by applying the toothpick, they start feeling little itching. So that means there are too much of toxins in the body. Okay. So one should always try to, because people say that they have a clear stomach and all, but everybody has some constipation.
Yeah.
So when they start applying all this, sometimes when we have applied methi seeds, some people start feeling very itchy. So that shows that the energy is working and it is not harming them, but the toxins are getting removed.
And it's for the constipation. Would that be the same in the middle of your palm?
Yes. Constipation, you have to have lot of fiber and water intake should be there. And then this will work mostly for the acute issues. For pains and all, it will show you immediate result.
Okay.
Okay. Because constipation is very chronic thing. So we would not know also how it is working. Okay.
For the
Sorry, just,
females who are
So for
entering
blood
into
pressure and
menopause
diabetes.
having heavy
Sorry,
flow,
can we have one person talk at a time, please?
for the
Yes.
females who are near their menopause and having heavy cycle flow to such an extent that the hemoglobin dropped to 8 to 9.
Okay. Okay. So they should be use this center portion. Now see, these are 2 legs. So this area becomes our uterus area. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Okay. So here you should press. You can apply pressure and you can always apply a toothpick over here and you will understand that one portion, one place it will feel better. So you can keep it that way.
So this has to be done in both the hands simultaneously or one hand?
No, do only on one hand. Use one hand. Always use one hand.
Which one? The dominant hand?
Yeah, dominant hand. Or if it is a left side problem, use the left hand. If it is a right side problem, use the right hand. We can do like that also. Or we can use anyone, especially for ladies nowadays. I use left hand always because right hand is free. Okay. So you can always use the left hand.
Just ask, you said toes, methi seeds. How exactly, you mean on every toe, around the toe, we've got to put the methi seeds? Or I didn't quite understand how you do that.
The center joint, you apply methi seeds on the tape and then you can just directly apply the tape on the toe. That is the easiest way.
On every toe?
Not on every toe,
Oh,
which has problem. Because the center two, the ring toe and the middle toe are the legs.
Ah, okay. Okay.
The leg which has the problem, you choose that toe.
Okay. Okay. So, thank you.
Similar way, the hand.
Shoulder? Yeah. Where is it for the shoulder?
Shoulder, we should always apply on the second joint of the thumb or the first joint backside. First joint backside you can apply or on the second joint.
Okay.
Okay.
First or second, but on the back.
Because for shoulder, it is coming from the cervical. First place, because of the posture, wrong posture, or some overexertion. So we should always first focus on the cervical and then we can choose which shoulder. If it is the right shoulder, we will use this finger on the left hand.
Mhm.
And if it is the left shoulder, we will use the index finger. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
right? So we will use this joint. We will
Yeah.
use this joint.
Yeah.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
I want to ask that is it work? It will work for allergies like skin allergy and all, or it is only
Yes.
for pain?
No, it will work for the allergy also. If suppose a person is getting too much of itching on the upper portion, if upper
Okay.
portion of the body you are feeling itching, so you apply on the thumb.
Okay.
Okay. And if it is
Yes.
the lower portion, then you just apply between these two fingers over here.
Okay. Okay. Yes.
And definitely you will see a change. Definitely.
Yes. Okay.
Okay. In
Thank you,
all
ma'am.
the
Yes.
acute, yes, because the
Hello,
problem
ma'am.
which you can see, that will be a easier thing to do. Yes.
Great. Okay. Yes.
Yeah, ma'am, for anxiety and sound sleep, diabetes, blood pressure.
Okay. For anxiety and this thing also, you can use thumb.
Thamira.
Sleeplessness, you can use the back portion of the thumb. Okay. Back of the thumb, you can always use for blood pressure, for anxiety, for any emotional issues, you can use the back of the thumb.
So is it because it's all to do with the brain?
Yes.
Mind, basically.
Yes. Yes. So this is the back side is the spinal cord and the inside is the brain. So you can try both
sides.
Both sides. First, you can start from the back side, and if it is not helping you, you can go inside also. Because same way, you just apply where is the problem, then the science, in a thoughtful way, and then you can apply. Yes, sorry.
Ma'am, for asthma,
Stomach, you apply over here.
Ma'am, for asthma.
For asthma, it is lung.
Asthma.
Okay. These are the lungs. Okay. So you can
Yeah.
always apply on the second over the joint like this, second joint of the thumb.
Thank you, ma'am.
And if you are feeling breathless, then you should use the first joint. Okay. First joint and second joint, anything you can use. Both will help you.
And eczema?
Eczema?
Yeah.
Eczema is a very chronic problem, ma'am. Okay. Eczema is a very chronic issue. Okay.
Is there only one spot, so you've got a whole body tiredness or arthralgia type of a thing in the whole body where your arms and legs, everything's hurting? Is there one spot for that at all?
Okay. When the whole body is paining, okay, you can apply one on the thumb first joint and second between the two fingers on this, like this.
Yes. Okay.
On the center. Okay. So what will happen is, but first set one. Now suppose I feel comfortable in this direction, then it
Yes.
is okay. I will wait for some time. I'll start seeing that, yes, it has started working. Okay. So then I can go for the second point. But first wait for 5 minutes, then go for the second. Sometimes only one is also effective. Okay. Sometimes only one piece you put and it becomes effective. So don't need also the second one. It all depends from person to person. So this flow of energy will be there and you will start feeling better. And another very handy tip I will tell you, everybody has a pencil in the house. Pencil or a pen.
Yeah.
Okay. Take anything and just keep your hand on the table and just massage with the pencil like this. For this, I'm telling you, if you are feeling tired and the whole body is paining, just use a simple pencil massage on your fingers like this. And suppose legs are paining, you can just rotate this pencil on all the sides. just press it gently, okay? And you will see immediately you will start feeling better. Even from inside, outside, you apply everywhere the pressure, and everybody has a pencil or a pen in the house. Okay, this only will help you with so much of blood circulation, like your whole body will get massaged with a pencil. Okay, I have posted the massage in the YouTube channel also, one can visit that, and it is very handy. You can just do it if you're not getting a good sleep. Just use the pencil massage in the whole body like this, brain. Then what will happen is the blood circulation is there, the blood will flow properly, and even your thoughts will become peaceful. Okay, the energy gets balanced. So always try to, you can use this technique. Anyone who is feeling tired after the day's work, or when you're getting in the morning, you don't feel fresh, that time you can use the pencil massage. Night you can use the pencil massage. People who are not getting good sleep, just apply cream on both the hands and just do it with the pencil. Okay.
And
You
ma'am,
will
for
see it is
diabetes,
very, for diabetes, dear, it is a very chronic problem. You message me separately on WhatsApp. I will send you some color treatment for that.
So what's your YouTube channel called? Under what name do we see it?
Okay, Jewels of Joy.
Thank you.
Jewels of Joy.
Can we have your contact details, Dharampreet, please?
Yes, 98610.
It'll be on the chat.
It's on the comment section. Please read through the comment section and you'll find her YouTube channel as well as the number.
Yeah.
Dharampreet, I'm sorry, but it's almost time to wrap up. But before we wrap up, I've got one question waiting on a comment section for a long time now. Somebody has asked me, will it help if we massage the due zone for kids, if any issue? Yeah.
For kids.
For kids.
Yes, yes. For kids, it is very, very helpful when they are studying and they are like, feeling a little tired, and even their mind, they get exhausted. They can just use a pencil massage. It is very good.
Okay, super.
Pencil massage is very good. We have got Sujok rings. We have got many things, but this is so handy because this is available in everyone's house. Okay. Otherwise, we have many Sujok gadgets like this for the fingers, for the hands. It is available online. Anybody can order. Okay. But these things are very, very handy. And even simple clapping is very good for the children. Even if elders also, if they are not feeling very low, and even if they are feeling a lot of anxiety, even a simple clap can help them. Because all the points are in our hands and the energy shift is there. Okay. These simple tips will really help you and help the children also.
Ma'am, can you please just go over again? So, for example, if I'm trying to address my left ankle and I'm using my, you said to use the left hand, yeah, for left side.
Yeah.
Okay. So if I use my left hand, it's the finger next to the small finger, and it's
you can
the
just
finger.
apply now. Yes.
Yes.
You can apply now, madam, and you can see and you can show, because in all the seminars we have practical experience. If anyone is having pain now, one can apply and they can check now.
Okay, so it's the finger next to the small finger, and it's the first joint,
Yes.
yeah.
Yes,
And
yes.
for backache, because it's the middle, yeah. So is it either hand? Either hand is fine.
Yeah, either hand is fine.
Okay, okay. Thank you very much.
Ma'am, for tonsils, for tonsils, which point should be used? Yes, ma'am.
First joint. In most of the issues, your thumb first joint will be very, very helpful.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, for kidney problem?
Kidney problem is backside, kidney is on the back. Okay, so you can apply it over here.
Could we have the picture of the hand? You know, it shows the body, front and back. That.
I was just about to say, if you can take a
Photo
picture.
of it.
I'll be posting in the group. I will post few pictures in the group.
Okay.
It'll also be in the YouTube if you go in that.
Yeah, it is. Yes, it is also on the YouTube. See, I have taught about Sujok. You can see that. There is also about leaf therapy, which I have told and given full in detail, because that was a 2 to 3 hours seminar. Okay. Today we have a limited time. So I thought that in a practical way, I should tell you more. But if you want, you can just visit the channels and you will get so much of relief and by following all those things.
Taranpreet,
I am giving, yes.
this has been the most interactive session that I've hosted so far, and there have been quite a few, I have to say that. So well done, and thank you so much for all the information that you've imparted today. It is, I think, amazing, and a lot of questions came your way, answered beautifully too. I'm sorry we have very limited time, so we have to wrap up the session now. But before we wrap up, I'm very, very intrigued to ask you one last question. You talked about, all of the healing to be done by hand. Is there a science behind it? Is it because all the nerves of the body ends in the hand?
Yes.
What is the science behind it?
Yes.
Science is, see, I have told you the similarity. That is the biggest science. First of all, see, the whole body you can see in the hand.
Yeah.
Professor saw it, he showed it so beautifully. See, each joint is explain itself. And secondly, with the Chinese system, we have 14 meridians in our body, which are flowing in our body, and there are points in the fingers. Ending or starting point is in the hands.
Okay.
Yeah. And it is flowing all over the body from our hands to our legs. So as a therapist, when a person comes to us, we know if the problem is on the left side, so which meridian is disturbed, the right side, which is disturbed. So we automatically treat that way.
So,
okay. So there is,
can I say something? Tarandeep this is not the first time. This is the second time she's been here. I've been in contact with her. It was a different therapy. She's wonderful. She's a wonderful lady and a wonderful therapist.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And I have a clarity workshop which I have taken. Even by doing my clarity workshop, by simple affirmations and few exercises which I provide, many people have got a lot of benefit. So if anybody is looking forward to do some workshop or any course, they can contact me.
It's amazing.
Where are you
You
based?
can please give the details of the courses so.
Okay, I will be sending in the group. Okay.
Yeah.
Sorry, are you at
It's
Mumbai?
a wonderful session.
She's in Delhi.
Okay.
Which city are you from?
Delhi.
I am from Odisha actually.
A therapist.
Yeah, I am from Odisha and I am practicing many things. I am also practicing batch flowers, which is working beautifully on emotions. Like when the wives are unable to manage, and that the husband is telling, like, lately I helped someone with the addiction. For children's addiction, we can just give them drops in the water. They don't come to know about it, and the nature changes. For a lot of anger, or when people are feeling too much of anxiety, or somebody is telling lies, for the relationship problems, we can also use batch flowers, or we can use some affirmations, some breathing techniques. There are many things which we can do. So anybody wants any help, they can message me on WhatsApp, and I will definitely love to tell you any way I can help you. I will tell you.
Thank you.
So beautiful, Taranpreet. Thank you so much for today's session.
My pleasure. It is my pleasure.
Great. Absolutely great show. I wish we do many more of your shows like this. And that's why I love this Heart to Heart, because you get to meet some amazing talent from all over the world. I realize you're based out of Delhi.
No, ma'am. Actually, I am based in Odisha.
Odisha. Oh, wow.
Very
So you're
close to Calcutta. Yeah. I am in a steel city called Rourkela.
Oh, okay. Fabulous,
Okay,
fabulous. Very well done.
and I'm so blessed that during this lockdown, we got the opportunity to connect all over the world. So this is my second seminar in UK. First, we did on new energy consciousness. That was the consciousness seminar. So in
Fabulous.
that seminar, I told about the how to just by simple affirmations, how we can control ourselves.
That is about access consciousness.
Something similar, ma'am, but access we can. It's a different technique, but this is a very much more powerful and simpler to do.
Clearly, we need more shows with you to understand all of that. And I think Rashmi,
Yeah. Definitely will come again. I will share some other things also. Yeah.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Tarunpreet, can I just ask one last question, please, Atul, please? Do you have anything for somebody? This is for someone who has fertility problems, difficulty in conceiving.
Yes, yes. I have helped one lady. In fact, two ladies, and they have beautiful daughters.
So is that something in this therapy, this therapy?
Yeah. In Sujok therapy, we can do that.
Okay. Gosh, so it's got an answer to everything then.
Yeah, we have got miraculous results when people fail to get from other things like, from allopathy and all.
Yeah.
And most of the people are like, come to us only when they are not satisfied from the other therapy.
Tarunpreet, sorry, I can't hear you.
No, actually, I was trying to mute Anita Prasad. There were some noises, and I think I'm by mistake. Tarunpreet, you are muted. So can you please unmute yourself? Yeah, just by mistake. Anita, you need to mute yourself. I think your phone is with your child.
No. You guys want to show daddy?
Anita, 1 minute. Let me
Mute all that.
Yeah, okay.
I just need the toilet.
Okay, should we end the session? Yeah.
Okay, Shivani and Shivani, please unmute yourself, and Taranpreet, please unmute yourself. Rest all be muted, please. I would really like to thank you, Taranpreet, for gracing this session and helping us with all your positive energy, and your smile is worth 1,000 radiant sun, the way you tell us about things. We are really very grateful to you and hope you come back again and again and help us, because UK has been under lockdown, severe lockdown. It's been terrible, and we really look forward to your sessions. Thank you so much, Shivani, and as always, you've been very graceful, and lots of people all over. Thank you all for joining us. Do join us on our Facebook group, Inspiring Indian Women. And we are here to flaunt our skills, flaunt our talent, flaunt our smiles, whatever we are good at. We give you opportunity, we give you platform to just do whatever you wish to do. So join us on Facebook. And tomorrow we have Vaishali with her company Ultrakriti. She's going to show us a lot of Lucknowi chicken curry, because we are trying to encourage all the entrepreneurs as well. So she'll be here to show her a lot of dresses from Lucknowi chicken curry. If you want to buy, you can just contact her and encourage small businesses and entrepreneurs. So we sign off now. Shivani, last word, and we say goodbye.
A big thank you everyone for participating, asking questions. I think that's what makes it more exciting. Rashmi, thank you for the opportunity again. And thank you for organizing beautiful session. I think Taranpreet, you are fabulous, and you have an amazing peace and calmness on your face, which I think we all achieve soon. So thank you so much, and have a good day.
Okay, namaste. Bye-bye.
Namaste, everybody. Goodbye.
Namaste. them.